हेलो गाइस, कैसे हैं सब लोग। आई होप एवरीवन इज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ देमसेल्व्स एज कोरोना केसेस आर इंक्रीजिंग डे बाय डे. प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ. डोंट go out much. Go only if it is necessary. Goa is the perfect mix of natural beauty, lively nightlife, and tropical environs. Check out our channel for such more ideas where you will find all the essential information to help you plan an awesome vacation to the party state. From the best tourist attraction to resorts, this collection of videos on Goa will make your trip fun and hassle-free. Discover the tropical state's best kept secrets. Each video showcase essential information such as the best time to visit, how to reach, and other tips. And information for you to enjoy your vacation fully. A platform to showcase my love for India's favorite party destination. Don't limit yourself to crowded beaches and attractions when you can explore new and offbeat places with the help of this Goa trip information vlog. Feel free to share on your social media channels to kickstart everyone's wanderlust to Goa. Watch out my old videos for food destinations and do subscribe for the latest updates and new exciting information every week. Okay, let me tell you, in this new segment I will show you some amazing places of different cities, various famous destinations of various places. I am starting this new segment with Goa. In this video I will show you the best things to do in Goa. So whenever you are in Goa, don't miss these amazing spots within the budget. Let's get started. Go for snorkeling. A tour of Goa should include snorkeling as it's mandatory sport every tourist coming to Goa wishes to do. Goan beaches are, however, the best location for snorkeling. Snorkeling is almost similar to swimming but with a snorkel and other related equipment like a diving mask and a tube for breathing. But the availability of snorkeling is limited to certain months every year, and if you plan to do snorkeling on your tour to Goa, then check out the availability and plan accordingly. Bogmalo Beach is most popular destination for snorkeling located on the southern coast of Goa. Usually, the activity lasts up to 3 hours depending on your experience and control underwater. Snorkeling provides you with the best sights underwater. The world of marine species can be witnessed with your naked eye. Best time to do snorkeling. Usually, snorkeling will be done during the month of November to April or May, as the other seasons may cause the sea to act roughly so that snorkeling cannot be done. Price range. The cost of snorkeling changes according to the tour planner you choose and the equipment quality, but usually the price starts from 1500 for 1 hour of snorkeling. Adventurous trek at Todo Waterfall. Trip starts from Panjim. Remember Panjim? Yes, it is the place where Vijay and his family went for satsang on October 2. Located in North Goa, adventurous trek at Todo Waterfall is an exciting trekking experience that you certainly do not wish to miss. Start your tour at 8 am and after getting picked up in an air-conditioned shared vehicle from Panjim. Reach your starting point at 9:30 am and begin trekking after a quick briefing from your guide. The trek takes place through the terrains and wilderness that provide you with a virgin view of Goa. Reach the fall at 11 am and click some memorable pictures with your family or friends. Enjoy a mouth-watering lunch at 12 pm and then continue trekking. As you make your way through thick vegetation, see the rewarding sights around you before you reach the summit. Take a short break for photography and lunch and relax before embarking the downfall and before boarding on the downward trail. Your arrival for the road ahead at 3 pm in Panjim marks the end of this fascinating trekking experience. Grand Island Scuba Diving. Grand Island is popularly known as Bat Island or Monkey Island, is a place that will fill you with the excitement of thrilling adventures that you will appreciate. When in Goa, do not miss to indulge in exquisite water activities like scuba diving, parasailing, speedboat, dolphin sightseeing, jet ski, banana ride, bumper ride, boat ride, etc. at Grand Island, and feel your excitement reach new levels. The perfect blend of exotic adventure and breathtaking views will definitely provide you with happening holiday experience. Enjoy a 15-minute underwater scuba dive at Grand Island and you have your videos taken underwater to bring home unforgettable memories. Go a minimum of 10 feet and maximum of 30 feet under the sea and behold the tranquil views of the fascinating marine life. Relish the delicious meals included in the package to claim your hunger cravings for full day of fun and enjoyment. An experienced instructor will guide you to ensure that you safely carry out the activities. Indulging in water sports. The availability of innumerable opportunities that to include in water sports is one of the main reasons that tourists visit Goa again and again. The lovely beaches here are perfectly suited for a number of water sporting activities such as windsurfing, dining, sailing, scuba diving, water skiing, parasailing, water scooter and swimming. Indulging in these activities is definitely one of the best things to do in Goa. Splash about in the water during this holiday and make the most of your trip here with the innumerable water sporting events that are held on the beaches. Windsurfing is one of the most popular water sport activities in Goa. It requires a person to adjust his strength and balance to the speed and movements of wind and water. For those who love exploring underwater, scuba diving in Goa is the best activity to indulge in. The seas in Goa are blessed with a wide variety of marine life, corals and reefs. Other water sports activities that can be enjoyed in this destination including water skiing and parasailing. Best time to visit Goa for scuba diving or water sports is April to October or November. The price starts from 1200 and ranging up to 15,000 based on the sport you select. Ocean trek in the Arambol. This trek starts from the deserted grassy Palolem Plateau and follows a perennial stream down to the northern Arambol beach, famous for its freshwater lake just a few meters from the sea. You can relax, take a dip, wash off the salt in the sweet lake, or even slur yourself with multani mitti, medicinal mud on the banks of the stream on the hillside, and then bathe in one of the many pools along the stream. Walk across the hillside along the sea past spectacular seascape scenery to reach Goa's northernmost and least commercialized beach, Keri, and go ahead on to your pickup point. The total distance of the trek is around 5 kilometers and the timing it is available is morning 7 am to evening 4 pm. Minimum number of bookings required is 6 for the trek to start. Cycling at Chorao Island. Start your trip at Britona around 7 am in the morning and get ready for the day. After a quick briefing on how to use bicycle gears, safety instructions and a brief overview of the tour ahead, travel across Pumbara ferry and head to the magnificent Chorao Island. Stop en route for breakfast at local eatery and delight in the food Chorao before you head on to the Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary and experience bird watching as you pedal through in uninhabited areas in Chorao Island and ride back. Tour ends back at Britona after a wonderful cycling expedition. Conclude your tour at around 11 am and head back home with a lot of memories. Starting and end point for the cycling of Chorao would be Britona. Timing is around morning 7 to 11 pm at the night. Jet-Lev flyer in Chapora River. Chapora River is flowing in North Goa while giving a clean water outlook to its guests who are here either for activities or swimming or relax near the river. The river flows finally into Arabian Sea and is well suited for undertaking multiple adventurous activities. Get ready to experience one of the best adventure of your life by taking JetLev Flyer. You will be given proper training by trained instructors before heading for the activity. Fly high in the sky with water pressure and enjoy superhero moments in the Chapora River. Timings: morning 10 am to evening 5 pm. You can enjoy the JetLev activities. That's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and comment below ideas for the channel. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, smash the subscribe button and enjoy my previous video. I will be coming back with yet another video of things to do in Goa, so please wait until my next video. Stay home, stay safe and also take care of your family. Signing off, this is Kranti KP.